gotta take it out slowly. Yeah. Ooh, baby. Rub that headlight.
All right. Today we're gonna get everything out of the S13 because it's still got like a carpet in the front. There's no carpet in the back, no back seats or anything, but carpet in the front. Got a headliner still, got pillars and stuff like that I don't need in there. Gonna take it all out and make it a real drift car.
Oh yeah.
Because I don't have insurance on it anymore, so I don't drive it on the street. It already wasn't a street car at all. Like it's just asked to drive on the street, so might as well go full out, get rid of that key extra 10 pounds that we don't need.
Oh yeah, that's really what's gonna set you apart.
Gain me a couple beef pounds.
Oh yeah.
I'll make sure to move this time. All good right there. This will also give me an opportunity to just like clean everything, like under the seats and shit. The first order of business is to take out the seats because that'll make it nice and easy to get the carpet out. So I'm gonna grab some tools.
I'd call that a 14.
I'd call that a 14.
We'd call that a 14. Around here, that's what we call a 14.
This is what I call a ratchet that don't ratch.
That don't ratchet at all. Don't you hate it when you think it's like an 18, but you get it home and it's a 16? Quentin's toolkit comes with this radical thingy.
Yeah, so it's like if you got a weird place that you can't reach with a ratchet or like a ratcheting wrench, then you just use this thing. It's a ratcheting hand jobber.
Yeah, we call
Except
it a hand
it fucking
job.
broke too.
Oh, is it brokey?
Yeah.
Dude, this feels like old school more skids.
This does.
Just,
My driveway working on 240.
yeah. Looking at rusty old bolts. Plus when we started, it was like springtime.
Yeah.
So every time it's springtime, it just feels good again.
Yeah, I know. Another reason why I'm doing this, not just to get rid of that 10 pounds of extra weight, is to add like 300 pounds of extra weight
Yeah.
into the form of a cage.
I love how you're like, fuck this chassis, gonna build a coupe.
What?
First, I'm gonna put a cage in this.
Yeah, because I can't compete without a cage this season.
Yeah.
Well, I can, but it'd be lame as fuck because I can tandem on the 3/8. You can get a cage done for pretty cheap.
Yeah. Especially if it's like mostly duct tape and PVC.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've done the unspinkable. We can't spink about it. Don't even think about it. No spink, no think. Yeah, that's what I did, was I just did. And today I sold the Lexus. The IS300 is gone. Rip in peace, hope and dream. So there goes 10,000 subs. Peace you later. But now I got a bunch of money sitting around waiting to buy a car. So you guys, when you see what I get next, you're gonna be so see, there's gonna be an emotion felt by a good portion of you. Don't know if it'll be negative, don't know if it'll be positive. Don't really care, to be honest, but it'll be fun. So yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna buy a car. There's a few things running around on Craigslist and like Facebook groups and stuff that I'm kind of interested in, but I don't know, I haven't talked to anybody yet because I just sold the car this morning. We'll see what comes of that. All I can tell you as a hint is a huntsman approaches.
Quinn, how you feeling today?
Pretty good, dude. I got home and drank like 3-4 bottles of water.
Oh, really?
Woke up feeling prime.
Hell yeah, dude. That's the key.
Whoa, hey, dang, wow. Whoa.
Boom.
Look at Quentin's bride.
My shitty ass bride.
He couldn't show me his bride's bottom hole.
It's gaping.
No, we won't say anything about this.
Those are the single best tool ever made. We should look up who invented them and then mail them a hand job. Yeah, send them a free sticker. He's like, I've been dead for 20 years. Thanks for the ghost hand job.
Gonna jerk off every bone in his body.
Every bone in his grave. More Skids goes grave robbing. Halloween special.
Spooky.
Spooky.
With Post Malone. With Post Mahone.
Post Malone.
Wait, you gotta stay in the car. I don't know
Yeah,
what
this
you
bitch
need.
gotta be empty before it
Is
can
this bitch empty?
Yeet.
Now we
There's
got both the seats out.
so much room in here.
Yeah. Should just try
Now Riley can fit in the car.
driving like this.
Tall motherfucker.
Yeah, dude, you got that like.
Hey, look at that. Another... Oh, wait, you're...
Dude, I should drive around like this.
You can sit like Orion. What the fuck does that even do?
It's
Jesus
like
Christ.
not even held in at all.
What the fuck?
Dude, this thing is built.
That's what they call custom.
This is a West Coast custom. Remember when you paid money for that?
I'm yanking the radio too.
What?
Roddy Yank?
How are we gonna listen to fucking Chevelle at the drift shop or Little Pete, dude?
True.
What are your spunkers, dude? You got door cards with spunkers on there for no purpose.
Yank the spunkers, dude.
Hank the Spunkers.
Yank those funkin' spunkers.
Yeah, I fuck a spunker, you know what I'm saying?
Funk a junker.
Funk your munker.
Vern Fonk, your donk.
Dude, Sam had his like new car. He's like, dude, jam my car, whatever. Hi. As I look inside of it, and there's just already a fucking bottle of spitters, and they're full. And I was like, damn, dude.
You buy dry ice at like Safeway?
No.
Where do you get that?
Where can I buy dry ice?
Here's what I found from a few nearby stores.
That's not even.
We're in Maple
It gave
Valley,
me
Washington,
ice
Vancouver.
pack, Coleman Chiller's ice substitute, and then a cooling pillow.
An ice substitute.
Oh yeah,
Christ.
this has been in every shot of like
Who wants some moldy fucking joint paper?
literally full. Some of those are probably still good.
It's actually note papers what Quinn writes notes on.
Yeah.
In his pocket or folds and puts it behind his ear.
No, this is what I use to remember things. I write what I need to remember in it, and then I smoke the paper, and I retain it like through the inhalation.
Is that how that works?
Yeah, that's why so many potheads forget shit because they just don't write anything.
They forget to write things on their joint papers.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why they need to. They need to write that they need to remember to write things on their joint papers
If
on their
you-
joint
if-
paper.
Quentin, are you high right now?
Quinn's about to sell an award-winning book, dude. He's getting deep.
If you
I've
don't,
been watching too much doughy fucking Daniels.
Dude,
And
shut
don't-
up.
Everyone should check out Doughy Daniels.
I've started like backing up, like downloading and saving everything he uploads because he
He
deletes.
deletes like a madman.
Yeah, he deletes and uploads like crazy.
He
And
probably
also-
uploads it when he's fucked up, and then he's like, when he's sober, he's like, oh.
I think we should give him a formal shout out.
Yeah. Follow Doughy Daniels. Link will be in the description.
One of the videos, like the videos that I got put on to Doughy Daniels in the first place, was him walking around his like place of work. Do you know what it was?
I think it's a Tim Hortons.
Tim Hortons, just naked, like
At
in the
night.
back, like walking around naked, like his dick's hanging out and everything, and
Yeah.
he's just like talking about weird like existentials. You gotta watch it to like understand what I'm trying to say.
Quinn,
next
Quinn
level.
likes to get weird. That's what Quinn gets weird with it. That's what he's saying.
It's like watching like the weird side of YouTube and all that shit, but weirder and brand new and happening right now.
Yeah, honestly, like I look forward to his uploads just because I'm like, it's like new, fresh, never before seen content.
Freshest dough.
Yeah.
You need this dough.
And in no way is this sponsored or anything. We just think that the guy.
he couldn't sponsor us. He has like 700 subscribers.
Yeah.
Wait for that collab.
Yeah, we're trying to get a Doughy Daniels collab. We'll just have him like stand naked, like in every shot.
stripped naked.
Carpet time?
I'll grab some razor blades.
Razor blades, okay. But yeah.
Dude, for some reason I always thought this was like a solid brick of like rubber.
Yeah, nah, it's just a hollow chunk of plastic. It feels sturdy as fuck when you put your foot on it, that's true.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Carpet diem. It's carpet day.
240 dust. Don't breathe this.
We're gonna need some asbestos masks.
Is that a mask made of asbestos, or? Dude, get that sick floor mat out of there. Okay.
That is gotta be the crustiest, mustiest, and bustiest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's got big tits.
Oh my god.
Just cut myself.
Yo, you're cutting towards yourself.
Oh, there's a spider over here. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Who
fuck,
did this
Richard?
to me?
$15 or best offer. Hit me up.
Yeah.
For sale.
Put this on offer up. 240 carpet.
240
Mint.
Oh god, it does smell worse over here now. What did I just unleash?
That's the best this has smelled ever in my life.
That's the best it's asbestos. What? So that's the best it's asbestos.
You know that comes off, right? Shout out energy. What would we do without you?
I would have been stuck in there
We
forever.
would have been stuck forever. Energy saves lives.
Pretty sure I got one of these seats out of the Cracker Jack box last month.
Yeah, probably. That thing's fucking trash. To Arizona?
Yeah.
Who's sick?
I haven't seen you since.
See how much faster it is?
It's gonna sound faster for sure. It's gonna go.
Dude, you got a Pilot G207 just chilling in here, brand new? Yeah, dude. I'm finna cop this bitch, dude. Look at that shit.
It still had the little gel tip on it?
No, it was a piece of
Oh.
pine needle.
I got a chesty boy. This hurts so fucking bad. You would not.
Dude, hold on, pull it down again. The texture of it, it looks like a sidewalk or some shit.
Looks like fresh asphalt on your chest.
Yeah.
The new form of tattoo.
It was the worst
Burn.
pain of my life. 4 hours of straight pain.
Hell yeah.
Dude, look at that race car.
This looks like it's like
$500 you tower.
Cash talks.
Gotta go find a
bring a trailer.
shop vac so we can vacuum all this shit out of here. Take out the headliner, and then I want to get rid of the plastic pillars, but I've got gauges on there for now. So,
You
but
got A gauge.
I'm going to 2 gauges.
2 gauges.
I'm gonna have to get rid of that and get like dash gauges or something because the cage is gonna run through right there. So. Bless you.
Get those razor blades out of there.
Just trapped. Energy tried to kill me.
They trapped
First
me
they
inside.
save you, and then they try to kill you.
That sucks the lens off.
Yeah, man, I think you better clean up that tune.
Nice.
Oh! Sick back seat. She's looking nice and clean.
Yeah.
Real clean.
Holy shit. Yeah, baby.
At 44.
Bringing down the house.
Unscrewing down the house.
What the fuck?
And here comes Tito.
Clean.
It is Andrew Miller, one of the most feared. Steel, the #1 selling brand of handheld outdoor power equipment in America, has never been sold in a
What are you
mass
doing?
merchant store. But you will find Steel brass and
He's looking at you through it.
I couldn't see you. I thought you were just like licking that shit. You're like,
This shit goes right up.
That's it?
smells good.
That's how you do it.
Dude, fucking rip that shit, dude. 240 dust.
Vape it.
Oh, dude, just like fucking ripping it right here, dude.
That's the chimney.
Crack the bong open, dude.
Crack the bong open.
The ECU used to just chill on the floor,
Yeah, that's pretty nasty.
so I zip tied her up to where the glove box used to be. Sometimes if the ECU is at like a weird spot, it won't, like the car won't start, so there's like a loose connection on one of those wires on the pins. So hopefully it's in a good position right there. We'll see when we try to start it.
Pit signals. Yo, I got fucked up.
She's all finito.
Yeah, it looks good. She's ready for a cage now, kind of.
Yeah.
You know, I gotta pull out the dash and everything for that, but
I get smashed up.
what?
It's ready to get smashed up, dude.
Yeah. So we're pretty much all finished up. Gonna start the car, drive it up and down the street, see if it sounds any different on the inside, because we took out some of the carpet and stuff.
Look at all this foot space. I feel like a free man. I feel like Gordon Freeman. It sounds like we're outside.
Yeah, it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
this here for good keeping.
For good keeping. Here, keep that. Right here. Just keep that there for safeness.
All right, so
Shoot.
that's gonna do it for this video. You want to say something?
Nothing of importance, no.
So thank you guys for watching. Going to Canada next week.
Party on.
True.
We'll see you in the next video.